Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a market review, market outlook for the new week. This is the second week of September, so I want to look out for the pairs I'm going to be looking out for this week. I have a lot of pairs on my watch list, but I'm just going to be looking out for like 3 or 2 just to give you a foresight analysis on the market direction for this week, or where I'm expecting the market to reach out for. So I'll start with gold. So first of all, if it's the first time on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and do well to check the link in the description so you can join my Telegram community where I drop setups weekly on my opinions about the market direction, and my analysis most of the time is about 90 to 95% accuracy, so you can do well to check them out. Alright, so on gold right here, I've marked out some highs and some lows. So the market actually does two things. You see that it goes higher, it goes lower. So but we can see that gold has been on a major downtrend. If I should use the Fibonacci to check the range, gold is currently around 50%. That's like halfway of this range, so it might not really be going anywhere right now because that direction is like at the middle. It's not higher, it's not lower, so you wouldn't get any high probability trade currently where gold is. If I was to be trading, I wouldn't bother uh, getting a high probability trade. But on the market direction, on the long term, it's selling. I would rather go with sellers on gold because this is the daily chart. You can see that the market just swept some highs. You can see the rush on that daily chart. That's dropped down on the long rejection on the daily candle. It's going to make it to sell. So, and this low too, gold is likely going to come down to clear the low and then rest on this region. They'll be acting as a support level from the higher time frame. So the direction for gold should be selling. Now if I should drop down to the 4-hour chart, you can see the 4-hour chart too. The market just was giving lower low, lower high market direction. It tried breaking market structure, but it couldn't. The market rejected heavily. That was that rejection, and now you can see high chances gold is just gonna keep on dropping. That's from the 4-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, the same thing. You can see the bigger candles are coming in the direction of sellers. If the market was to be buying, we should be getting bigger candles in the direction of buyers. But after this green candle, we had 2 huge drop and giving us small signs that gold is likely going to sell. So this is Monday. What am I expecting on gold? Probably gold might just want to come towards this region and then start selling. That's what I may be expecting on gold. So if you look at the monthly chart, on gold too, you can see this is September. The candle is selling. High chances this candle is going to keep on selling. High chances because it's going to be hard for you to turn around to start buying. So gold is clearly on a bearish trend. It's a bearish market. If I should look at the weekly, gold, it's selling. On the weekly chart is on a long downtrend. Lower low, it took out some highs, but it's still making lower low. You can see this low is lower than the previous one. Now you retrace inside, high chances gold is just gonna keep on dropping or keep on selling for the coming weeks. So that's my direction for gold as a pair. I'm expecting just maybe a small movement upward during the London section, and then you should just drop entering New York. And then the next pair I'm going to be looking out, it's DXY. So that's dollar index. If you want to analyze the dollar pairs, you have to look out for dollar index. First, you want to know the direction of dollar index. So what I'm expecting on dollar index from the daily chart, it's maybe some form of little seller's entry or a major seller's entry, because I marked out the most recent highs and lows which the market might be taking out for or be looking out for this week. He has to take one of them. The market does two things. It's either he's buying or he's selling. So if he's selling, it's coming for the lows. If he's buying, it's coming for the highs. So with the way I'm seeing this market, dollar took out some lows there, gathered more momentum, and is giving higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So probably it might want to reach out for the next higher high movement. But I think I would like to see maybe some few sellers to just take out some intermediate lows here and maybe come down towards here to fill out some imbalance in price, and then probably we'll continue the market upwards. If you look at on the monthly charts of DXY, you can see this September candle is seriously buying, so it might be reaching for these highs and then coming up to this region. So around this price of 108. So DXY should just keep on buying. So if DXY will keep on buying, let me show you the weekly chart, what it looks like. So the pattern here, open, high, low, and close. So it's just opening. It might just sell a little, and then before the end of the week, dollar should just keep on running higher. All right, it should just retrace and then keep on running higher to higher prices. We have a lot of imbalances here in the price that the market should be reaching for. So that's how I know the direction for DXY this week. So this is the 4-hours chart. It's looking as though it's ranging on the 4-hours chart, or it wants to go into a bearish profile. So that's what I'm saying. If you could just come down towards this region, take out the lows, and then we look, if buyers are still interested, then the markets should start running up to the higher prices on dollar. So that will inversely give us the direction for Euro USD. That's fiber. You can see on the 4-hours chart is already looking like though it's giving us a break of structure to start buying. So I'm expecting buyers to maybe come towards this region, and then at the end of the day, Euro USD bringing more sellers. From the monthly charts, it's just opposite direction with DXY. So this is the monthly chart. You can see it's a bearish structure. The market broke structure here, failed to continue buying. So Euro USD is basically a sell market. Anything you're doing is best you're selling Euro USD. So this is the weekly chart too. Like I said, that small movement up and then it rejects, and then end the week in sellers, or the candle should close as a red candle. We have been getting continuous sellers entry for the past 2 months now. So I think you should just continue down to these lower prices here on Euro USD. So Euro USD is just doing opposite of DXY. It's a dollar quote pair. So that will lead us to talking about USD CHF. So USD Swiss franc, from the daily chart, it's in a bullish market. The market just opened, so we had a gap down. Now it has filled it up. I think it will just keep on buying and buying to the higher prices on USD CHF. On the 4-hours chart, you can see it's bouncing up from this region. So I think with this current candle, buyers should just consider the market higher on USD CHF. And on the monthly chart, you can see we're getting lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So buyers are still coming in. I think they might want to come up towards this region. So we might still get some good buyers candle causing USDCHF to buy in respect to $2, DXY is buying. So that's my direction or my analysis for this pairs. Other pairs I have on my watch list are currently ranging, so I'm not going to be bothered about. I'm not going to be talking about them. But if you have anyone you want me to analyze, or you want any uh, market insight on any pair, do not to comment the pair, and I'm going to look it up for you and just share with you my analysis or my own opinion about the market direction. So hope you find this video insightful. I'm going to do it again at the end of the week to just give you a summary of price action of how the market played out. Oh, these are my reviews on the current pairs I've given and what I expect the market to do. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment, and share this video. I'll see you on the next one. I wish you all good luck with trading. Peace. Bye for now.